पीठ तो मत दिखा मेरी ऑडियंस को. Today I'm going to show you a massive yarn haul to help you get ideas कि कौन सा कलर कैसा होता है. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is all the yarn that I have to show you all. Some key points to note here are I generally prefer to buy at least 2 to 3 skeins of the same color, because if I am planning to make a bigger project, okay, I thought she's pooping on my table. You buy at least 2 to 3 skeins of yarns ताकि अगर कुछ ऐसा condition आए कि आपको थोड़ा सा बड़ा project बनाना है, you're not out of yarn basically. So it helps there. I think I'll start off with the yarn that I bought. So this is slightly golden and this is a brown color. So these are all from Hobby Store. I bought it from Magic Needles. I'll just link everything. You can just find the details and the prices here. First up are 2 different shades. This is DK yarn in just brown. You can see it is brown in color, and this is also just brown, but this is merino wool. This has a wonderful texture. Next up is this Aran yarn. This is lavender in shade. This is similar to what I'm wearing at the moment. Next up are 2 shades of pink. Both of them are Aran yarn. This is light pink as the color appears, and this is rose pink. I was thinking of using these flowers in my bouquet blanket, but then these are a little dull in shade. Like, it does not give that vibrant shine, and and just so you know how the color would appear, I have this blanket project that I'm working on and the rose pink that I was talking about, and this is how your light pink would appear. This is again Aran yarn, and this is in color powder pink. This is also a pink, but this looks like more of a cream color. Okay, next up, this is again DK yarn. This is in color pale green. It's very light green. I can again pull up my blanket to show you. This is the green we are talking about. It is a little pale in color. Then another green that we have is dark olive green. This is Aran cotton yarn. It is a cotton yarn. Next up, we have the teal color. This is apricot yarn. This yarn has a little stretched up texture. So if you want to make a project जो आप चाहते हो कि naturally stretch करे, this would act as a perfect yarn for that. Last but not the least from this packet is this grey. This is the dark grey yarn. Okay. And I've used this color also in my blanket. I can show it to you how it would look. This blanket is helping me so much in this yarn haul. And if you're new here, just know that I am doing this blanket series over Instagram and YouTube. Do check out and let me know your thoughts on the colors. Okay, so coming to the very latest collection that I got recently. Like I was saying, I generally buy 2 of these. This is dark brown, this is cotton, but this does not look like a dark brown. It is a very different color. It has a little bit of purple added to it, or maybe the brinjal color. So it isn't brown, but it is said as dark brown. Next up, we have, I want to know from you guys, what will you call this color? I will call it as orange. They call it like plain orange. इतना complicate क्यों करना है? They call it saffron, I think. Zafa. This is zafa. Orange बुला लो, saffron बुला लो, zafa बुला रहे हो आप. ठीक है. Zafa है ये. This is also cotton yarn. अब please कोई मुझे ये मत बोलना कि zafa orange भी same होता है. Okay. Next up, this like for the latest purchase, मेरा target था कि मुझे cotton wool चाहिए ताकि मुझे कुछ मैं अपने ऐसे clothing या outfit section में कुछ बना पाऊँ. और this is apricot yarn और ये इसमें भी 51% cotton है, and this is maroon. Last but not the least, I have this cotton rose pink. You can see the difference. This is their cotton rose pink. And this is their rose pink in Aran yarn, and this is their rose pink in cotton. So you can see the difference and you can buy accordingly. Lastly, I have bought this cute wine shade. Okay, I hope this is wine. and this is in cotton again. It is wine 58. I'm loving the colors. So if you'll notice, the first section had lighter shades and then the last section had dark shades. So you can prefer, mix and match the colors and buy accordingly based on your project. I hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what videos would you like to watch, and do hit a like, subscribe, share it as much as possible. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.